Hello everyone, I hope y'all are having a great day. Today I have the June 2020 Allure Beauty Box. Now I purchased a full year because you get a little mega you get a mega bundle when you sign up for a year. I think it's like 20 items. I haven't gotten that yet, comes separately. So they said if in 3 weeks that it's not here to email them on their website, so I haven't. It'll be 3 weeks on June 30th for me, so we'll see if that pops up soon, and I'll show you guys what I have in there also. So opening it up, has the little pamphlet on there with the pretty lady, and then it talks about what's in here, and it says brighter days there, so I don't know if this has themes or not, but I'm assuming that would be the theme if so. Also, I got another extra item for signing up for the first time, and I got to pick between some Tarte items, and I picked the Rainforest of the Sea Color Splash lipstick, and it is in Cruisin'. That's what it looks like. And here's what it looks like in the packaging, and the packaging is very cute. This is what the color looks like. Swatch it. And this is the color. Very pretty. Okay, so the first thing I'm pulling out is this Pure Lease Watermelon and Charcoal Purifying Cleanser. That's what it looks like. This is definitely full-sized. This box comes with sample sizes, deluxe sizes, and full sizes. I think usually there's 1 to 2 full-size products, sometimes 3 full-size products in the box, but here's what it looks like. And I'll go to the pamphlet, see how much it cost, and read a little bit about it for you. So I believe you would have gotten this or the La Roche-Posay Active C10. I'll tell you about the Pure Lease first in a second. The price would be $18, and there's a promo code for 20% off full-size products at Pure Lease, and it is Allure Cleanser in all caps. It is valid June 1st through August 31st, 2020. And it says, usually anything too fragrant or oil absorbing has a big potential to dry out my sensitive skin, and yet I keep reaching for my watermelon and charcoal cleanser because it strikes the perfect balance between clarifying and soothing. You can see the pore vacuuming charcoal inside this black tinted gel when you squeeze it out of the tube. The watermelon scent is refreshing, not cloying. It's nothing like watermelon gum. And the cleanser removes the day's makeup and leaves behind a clean feeling without drying me out. So I've been using it twice a day. And that is from Nicola Dalason, and she's a staff writer for Allure. Now, the other item you could have gotten was, again, the La Roche-Posay Active C10, and I'm not sure if it would have been full size or not, but it says the full size is $49.99, and this little expert whatever. It is by the assistant editor, Kathleen Suiko. But this is what she says. There's something so satisfying about skincare in tubes you pierce open. They remind me of the prescription ointments that I used for sensitive skin growing up. To this day, any time my olive skin is irritated, whether it's sensitivities or pimples, I wind up with dark spots. And as I've gotten older, they take longer to fade. So I use brightening treatments like this one with ascorbic acid, aka vitamin C. I use a dime-size amount all over after toner and give the hyperpigmentation on my nose and cheeks extra love. This cream absorbs quickly, and unlike some other vitamin C treatments, it doesn't sting. It also hydrates with hyaluronic acid and soothes with vitamin E. In just a few weeks, it's helped to fade my dark spots and brighten my overall complexion. The next thing I am pulling out is from Belief. Here's what it looks like. Has that deceiving false bottom, thinking you have more than what is in there. The full size is $38, and it is the Belief the True Cream Aqua Bomb Aloe Vera, and says, when it comes to my hair, I've been slicing open an aloe vera leaf to reveal its slimy goodness as a step in my wash day routine for years. And I use the blended pulp as a soothing pre-shampoo treatment to nourish my itchy scalp and dry curls. But smoothing the gooey gel on my face, which also tends to be dry, is not as appealing. Instead, I turn to Belief's new Aqua Bomb Aloe Vera formula, an update on the brand's super popular Aqua Bomb Gel Cream. Their original beloved hydrator is still available, but this new version ups the ante with aloe extract. I apply it right after my serums, but before sunscreen, and my skin is instantly dewy. When I'm staying in for the day, I like to add an extra layer for a brief at-home facial. And that's from Gabriella Thorne, and she's the editorial assistant. Next thing I'm pulling out is from Yinsa. It is the Yinsa Super 8 Lip Oil, and it is in Pink Shine. And that says that. The retail price for it is $28. I am assuming that this is the full size. This is what it looks like. I'm not going to swatch this because it's just going to be clear with the slight pink tint, and I already have one. I'm not sure if it's the same color or not, or if it's a different one. I think it was in a different box. Not one I got it off of Mercari, but pretty sure they got it in some other subscription box. Possibly the same one, so it might... Here, actually, it's right here. It's really nice feeling, and it is also in Pink Shine, so I might put this one on my Mercari account. But anyways, it says, this oil has a hot pink tint that perks up your complexion, but the color is sheer. It's closer to a popsicle stain than a gloss, and it quickly dries down to a thin layer on lips, without any greasiness or stickiness. It's loaded with antioxidants and moisturizers, including vitamin E, coconut, and avocado seed oils. So each time you put it on, you're also working towards smoother lips in the long run. And that's from Cotton Kadinaha, Senior Features Editor. Then there are these Dashing Diva Gloss Ultra Shine Gel nail strips. Looks like. have some for accent nails, and then regular, and it retails for $9, so this is also full size. So I've gotten 3 full-size items so far. Well, I don't really consider masks full size unless they come in a pack, which we got masks, but some people would consider them full size, so there you have it. But anyways, this says, when I was a beauty intern making $0, I would do an at-home manicure once a week. I got really good at applying nail stickers, and Dashing Diva was one of the first brands I tried. The gloss gel strips have lots of shine and long-lasting designs, and they're easy to apply. Just clean your nails with alcohol, then match a strip size to each nail. Stick it on the cuticle side first. Smooth out the bubbles. You don't need a fancy tool, just use your fingertips. And file off the excess. At a glance, a coworker even assumed I'd gotten my nails done at a trendy New York City salon. And that's from Kara McGrath, deputy editor. Next thing I'm pulling out is under eye patches from Shangri Spa Care System, and gold black pearl eye mask. And this is what it looks like. Okay. It was that you'd either get this or the La Roche-Posay Active C10, not the Pure Lisse or the La Roche-Posay Active C10. Great reading on my part. But anyways, this is what it says. In my experience, eye masks are either pretty, say in fancy metallic shades, or they work great. But these Shangri masks are both effective and Instagram worthy. They're made of black hydrogel with gold shimmer and soaked in an essence made with glycerin, black pearl, and gold extracts. In 20 minutes, these patches cleared up the puffiness from several sleepless nights and helped get rid of some dry patches at the corners of my eyes. You get 60 patches in one tube for the full size, enough mask selfies to last an entire month, and that's from Audrey Noble, beauty reporter. And the full size retails for $60. And then the last thing I'm pulling out here is another mask. It is a 2-step one with that and the actual sheet mask. Let me get to the page that it's on. It says it retails for $10, and it says, well, at first let me tell you what it is. It's a Star Skin 100% Camellia Nourishing and Brightening 2-Step Oil Sheet Mask. And it says, sometimes it feels like every sheet mask is the same. They are all soaked in serum and easy to wear around the house. But this Star Skin mask features one big difference. It comes with a vial of pure camellia seed oil to boost its hydrating effects. The oil is naturally packed with fatty acids, which help plump up even super dry skin and antioxidants. First, you apply the oil all over your face, and then you put on the sheet mask, which has niacinamide, sodium hyaluronate, and more camellia oil. Open up the sheet mask section before you apply the oil because your hands will be slippery. The 2-step treatment will leave your skin with a pretty gleam, but I like to use the duo right before bed for softer skin the next day. And I use the extra oil in the ampule as a moisturizer in the morning. And I don't know who. Oh, Jessica Krull, features director. I think that's who wrote that little part. But anyways, that's all I have for you guys in my Allure June 2020 box. Again, I'll put up a video once I get my goodie box of extra stuff for signing up for a year. And I hope y'all have a good day. Bye.